All right, girls, we got some cards in the mail today. You want to open them? Come on over here. Come around. Can you look at that one? I'll help you open them. Says, let it snow. Merry Christmas, sweet girl. Love, hugs, kisses, Grandma, Maureen, and Dennis. No, you can't rip that. All right, hold on. Here, come. I gotta open Caitlin's for her, too.
Oh.
Say, that was so nice of her. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Who can say thank you? Snowman. These have to go in the bank, sweetie. You can't play with these. But look at the pretty card. What's on the card? What's that? Is that a snowman? What's on his head? Oh, no, Kelly, you have your own. Here, yours is in this pile that you're holding. Kelly. 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 Here. What's on his head? Can you say hat? Can anybody say thank you? Thank you, Grandma Maureen.